So my name is Olga Tratsiak. I'm originally from Minsk, Belarus, but I live in New York. And I'm so happy to attend in person with Vishen and Christina doing the Mindvalley intuition training themselves. And it was like a 2 full days boot camp of developing intuition. From the centering exercises to group exercises, which was really powerful. I realized right on the spot, like at the end of the second day, how we can really start feeling things that we previously thought was just a pure guess. And I think it's definitely useful in everyday life. Try to see if I can apply it also to my new development that I'm planning to do in the educational field for children as financial literacy project, and see what works, what doesn't, and see who I want to vibe. And I already could see actually the universe helping me out, because during those exercises that we did, like visualizations, even the same night, I ran into a person when I was leaving the gathering who told me the direction I should take about my video making and who should be my target audience, which was quite a bit different from what I envisioned. And Vishen and Christina were great. Vishen has all this energy. He's a visionary. He's very, his presence itself makes it a very vivid experience, while Christina has a perfect voice for meditation. It's very calm, very soothing, and their experience already, knowing how long they've been dealing with the intuition training courses and applying in their own life and successes, gives a boost to your own abilities as well, because they were just the same people as we did before.